Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. In my video today, I will give you an earlier preview of OpenBOM Chat Agent. And the functionality that I will demonstrate you is how OpenBOM can seamlessly bring any data to OpenBOM. You know, in every company, you have tons of data. You have Excels, you have CAD files, you have some images, specs, everything. So what we are going to provide in OpenBOM, it's a very easy and seamless way to acquire, import this data, and organize it using OpenBOM platform knowledge graph capabilities. So imagine I do have files located in a folder. So let me bring those Excel files. These files for this example includes different bill of materials, mechanical, electricals, software, and just drag them in this chat window. So I will talk to the chat and I will ask to import this data. So the data is going to be processed, and what you will see after some time, you see bill of materials, you see all this information here. So OpenBOM automatically imported this data, analyzed relationships, built product structures, imported files, and generated all product knowledge graph that is managed by OpenBOM. So we think it's a beginning of the new capabilities of OpenBOM that will allow to bring any information through the chat user interface or through API to create a connected data that can be used by companies for different purposes, analytics, data management, and more. So stay tuned, and we will come next with additional updates. Thank you very much, and talk to you soon.